Hey guys, so this is from the bottom of my tub. They're actually really common, but it's super hard to get out. There's a technique to get them out with pliers and everything, but it's janky. I think I'm gonna build a piece to get these out so people can clean their drains easier and stuff. Um, these pieces have done well before, and then I'll put it up on MakerWorld. Let's see how many downloads it gets. Hey, what's going on, dudes? I'm gonna call this the handy dandy drain tool. I think that's pretty smart. It's going to be a handy dandy drain tool. So remember, this drain tool, this is the drain that we want to pop. Um, yeah, I think I'll show you a little montage right now. I'm going to pause in three. Oh wait, I'm saying, let me do it like this. I'm going to pause in three, two. Is that how you do three? This is the German three. I was used to this for a while. Okay, let's do this. So three, two, one. Wait a second. I didn't explain that well. That was dumb. I'm sorry, guys. I can't do a transition there. So remember, this is the drain tool. This is going to be a video that's going to show you on YouTube that I found on how to actually get this out, so I could clean it. Yeah, and it's going to show it to you in zwei or drei, zwei, eins.
How to remove a tub drain without any special tools. So what I've got here, a pair of channel locks. Now that's if your crossbar is not broken. Put the channel locks down in there. Got just your normal claw hammer or anything that you can get leverage with. In between those, what happens is as you put leverage in between there, it spreads them out and allows you to turn it. So you're going to turn it counterclockwise and it's going to come right out.
That's not good enough. So because I want to do a tool that goes in here and then has some leverage right here on top to be able to just get this off really easy, without needing to do, because that was that was dicey. I almost broke the uh, the pliers when I did it. It was really dicey. So I'm gonna do a little bit better. And I'm sorry, I don't know where to look at the camera, so I apologize for that. But okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna make myself small and do a design montage. People have told me that I can't use AI anymore. Like that, they said that that's a hard stop. Like I cannot use the AI music generation or whatever. But you know what? I don't like when people tell me I can't do something. It makes me want to do it more because it's goofy and it's fun and it's super just hard to find music and fill space. And I like doing goofy and fun stuff. So I might just go for it. Or should I listen to the audience? Tell me in the comments, guys, whether or not I should do any AI stuff or if I can ever use it. Because I like it just with that background stuff like the music or with Summer singing in the video a couple of videos ago. But anyway, let's get into designs. I'm going to take first of all, I'm going to make this. I'm going to design this up. And then once I have a good approximation of this, I'm going to use that to make the rest of the model off of. I think that's just going to be the simplest way.
I was fixing up a faucet round about noon till I stumbled on a gizmo under the moon. This handy dandy tool made my life bright. Now I'm fixing twice the tubs every night. Betty shouted from the kitchen, looking for a tea, while I was dancing with my pipes, feeling so free. The handy-dandy gadget made me feel divine. Now I'm servicing the sinks in record time. Handy-dandy, oh what a thrill, turning rusty pipes with a newfound skill. From the bathroom to the sink, I dance my way with my handy-dandy gizmo. It's a plumber's day. Sue from down the street sent me a call, said her bathtub was leaking, flooding the hall. With my tool in my hand, I rushed to the scene. In no time flat, it was shining and clean. The neighbors started calling, what a surprise. Plumbers left and right staring with wide eyes. I winked and said it's magic, just you wait and see. This handy-dandy tool's my new destiny. Oh, our love for plumbing, it just grew strong with every twist and turn, singing our song.
Man, that's fun, but I am exhausted. So I'm gonna print this out. Next thing is we'll test it. We'll see how it works. But handy dandy train tool. It's available on. It's going to be available on MakerWorld if it works. If it doesn't, you won't see this video. So that's cool. Let's see.
On a gizmo under the moon, this handy-dandy tool made my life bright. Now I'm fixing twice the tubs every night. Betty shouted from the kitchen, looking for a tea, while I was dancing with my pipes, feeling so free. The handy-dandy gadget made me feel divine. Now I'm servicing the sinks and records.
Okay, so while I was at it, I also made a new. This is the plunger, like the. Gosh darn, I lose my words today like crazy. Not the plunger, but the cap or whatever, the drain plug. There you go, plug. But it comes up and twists out. Anyway, it had this seal on there, and I'm gonna test out this replacement. I just made a TPU replacement for it. So that's going to be in the link below, or the link in the description as well. And I'll put it on right now, or I'm going to edit this out and say it didn't work because I'm going to test it by taking a bath after this. But yeah, so. And now the pièce de résistance. Let's see if it works. All right, I got the tool here. Getting in the bathtub. See, the drain is out completely, and this is going to go back in. Ugh. Okay. Okay. I'm just going to get it started here a little bit. Oh, I'm going to test it and make sure it fits. Sure it does. Okay. Just going to get it started here. Oh, that's great. That fits really good in hand. Very easy just to get started like that by hand. I don't even really need this. And this will act as like a little wrench to finish it up. Oh yeah. Wait. There we go. Hey, that works pretty good. We got a first time go here. Okay, well, Download it on MakerWorld now. It is called the, I don't know if you can see it there, but it's called the Handy Dandy. It's got the bar and the tool itself. It'll help you use as a wrench to get these drain pieces off. So then also you can download this. If it works, you'll find it in the description. If not, I'll let you know by editing this out. But thanks for watching. You can download this exclusively on MakerWorld right now. It's called the Handy Dandy. Oh man, that works really good. Oh, that's great. Okay, yeah. Okay, great. So it's called the Handy Dandy, and you can download it on MakerWorld right now. Exclusive. And that's it. No more crazy solution like you saw earlier in the video. This is Snail. Subscribe for more fun stuff like this. I got a lot of cool stuff coming out. And yeah, so I'm excited to share it all with you guys. Thank you. God bless.